What's up, YouTube? Been a minute. I know it's been a minute. I haven't posted in a long time, man. I've been slacking, but not really slacking because I've been focusing on other things. Close these windows real quick so you can hear me. I've just been focused on trying to reach the next level of my life, you know what I'm saying? Trying to reach the next level money-wise, income-wise, so I'm trying to make multiple incomes, so I've been focused on that mainly, on multiple incomes, because having one income right now is no bueno, and I always, since I was younger, always had more than one income, and I started slacking and I only had one, so yeah, I'm going back to having multiple streams of income, that way my money could get up faster, and now we have something going on over here. I don't even know what's going on, man. They got a fire truck. Fire truck is doing a donut backwards and shit over there. But yeah, this guy's just staring at me and shit. But that's the main reasons I've been out of the YouTube, like posting videos. I've been posting shorts though, so if you've been watching my YouTube shorts, I've been posting shorts almost every day. And then if I stopped, it was every other day. But I've been posting a lot of YouTube shorts. The only thing I didn't been posting was regular videos, like the one I'm about to post today. So what's up with you? Hope all y'all doing good. Hope y'all all staying positive, staying motivated, hustling, doing what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? God's faith, you know what I'm saying? You're going to the next level in your life, you know what I'm saying? Progression is everything. You know, don't let anybody tell you can't do nothing. Nobody tell you what car you can get. Nobody tell you what dream you can accomplish. You got to do it because you know you can do it for yourself. Forget about everybody else, man. Nobody else's opinion matters, bro. When you were born in this world, you were born in your mom's stomach all alone until you came out. And then you had your mom, your dad, and so on and so on. If you didn't have your mom or your dad, then you still learned the values of life and you did it on your own. You didn't have nobody else write a script for you and tell you exactly what you had to follow and what guidelines to follow. You did it on your own. So that's why I'm trying to tell you guys, I don't let nobody tell me what I can and not do. I've been doing things on my own. Turn right. Always since the beginning, you know what I'm saying? I had no help from nobody, not from my mom, not from my dad, because, you know, my dad, you don't know, but now you know, was like other dads, you know what I'm saying? Not really all around all the time, but, you know what I'm saying? It was there. And mom, struggling all the time, paying bills and all that shit, so I really, we grew up poor, you know, lights getting cut out a lot of times, rent being missed and shit like that, etc., not having stuff for school. Everything I had to do it on my own. Learning wise, I didn't have nobody to physically teach me shit. I learned how to read myself. I learned Spanish by hearing other people. I'm Puerto Rican. So the fact is, I'm just saying, bro, like, I got to this level of this, my car, what I have now, the house, garage. I have 3 cars now. I have this, the RX-8, and my Civic that I daily. And I reached that by staying motivated, by staying positive, you know, having God behind my back, and just believing in myself. And then not that nobody told me anything. I don't let nobody tell me I can't do something, bro. You know how many people told me that I can't even have a car? And this is like my 34th car or something like that. Like literally had 34 cars, and I'm 27 now, so 34 cars now. A lot of people at this age don't even have a car yet. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people I know that don't even have a car yet. And if they do have a car, it's only 1 car their whole life. 2 cars their whole life. I'm on 30 something, bro. I think it's like 34 or some shit like that. Not exactly, no, I lost count. I had too many cars. And now look where I'm at now. I have a Supra. You know what I'm saying? I think like the most iconic cars I had was my Honda Accord. My 2018 Honda Accord that I built. And then I had the Scat Pack, and now this. So definitely anything is possible, because I don't work no crazy job. I work at pizzeria and Domino's, and I was able to get all the cars I ever had. Not ever had, because that's Domino's was like so far like 3 years so far. So for the past 3 years, I was able to get the Scat Pack, and then this, working at a delivery job. It's a basic job. I'm not a cop. I'm not a fireman. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a degree, none of that. And I was able to do that. But now I'm trying to break free from that. I'm trying to make multiple stream of incomes, because I want to reach the next level of my life. I want to have, in the future, like, my goal is to have, you know, like my own house in like every place I go to, like Puerto Rico, here, PA, etc., and then cars as well. Like I want to have, you know, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, all that. So the only way to do that is to stay humble, stay positive, and just keep upgrading yourself in life, and don't let nobody, you know, that usually say that you can't do something is because they're hating it. They want you to be stuck like they are. So don't be stuck in the mud, man. Get off the mud, keep hopping off that shit until you slide out, and just keep running and keep moving forward, because you only live once, man. Why work a 9 to 5 that potentially is a safe job, but they can fire you at any point, and then when you get fired, it's not a safe job no more, because now you got to find another way to make the same money you were making in order to pay the bills that you had from the beginning. So why not just jump and do something you love? And if you fail, at least you know that you feel that's doing something that you loved from the beginning. Don't be one of those people like, yeah, I just got a 9 to 5 because I had a kid. That's another thing. I have a kid. I'm about to have my second kid is on the way. So yeah, don't have the excuse that you're a father or whatever, blah blah blah. You don't have the time, dude. I also been working out again. I don't want to flip the camera right now, but I've been working out again. My ass is getting a little brolic. So don't ever say you have time, because I work over 60 hours a week. It's 120 hours every 2 weeks, because I get paid every 2 weeks. So I do all that and see my kid every day, take care of my kid, be with her, take her to the park, and whatever she needs, I'll be there. I do that. I try to be the best father figure I can to my kid. And I have another kid on the way, and I'm doing multiple streams of incomes. Like, I've been doing a lot of things. I'm not gonna get into that, what I've been doing. I've been doing multiple things though, like, trust me, multiple things. I'm gonna take this way so I can do a couple pulls for you guys with the car. I know you guys are like, damn man, stop talking to me, let me hear the car. I wanna hear the car, I wanna hear the pops, the bangs, I wanna see you speed. So I'm gonna do that for you guys. Let me
drive, then turn right again.
Okay.
In 700 feet, turn right onto West Side Avenue.
Okay, I will turn right on West Side Avenue. No problemo. Thank you for letting me. Turn right, por favor. I don't even know this if you guys ain't able to see anything right now, camera wise, because right here kind of looks bright, but I don't know. Is it a good view? Let me know if you guys like this view, because right now I'm literally holding it in one hand. I don't know where my head mount is at. I gotta find it. But yeah, this is a Supra. So for those of you guys that are new, my name is Adonis. I like to inspire and motivate people, because it's just that type of world that we live in is full of negativity, and people just wanting to work 9 to 5 for somebody else, getting basic regular pay. I'm trying to motivate and inspire people so they can know that they can reach the next level in life. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, not for my car. Subscribe to the channel to help spread motivation, positivity to the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all I want to spread. I want the world to progress. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be that, you know what I'm saying? People think that rich people are like, oh, this guy's rich because whatever his mom and daddy. Nah, I want to be that rich guy that I work hard for everything I got, and I am doing that. Let me get out of this lane. This lane is bumpy as hell. Let's do a pull real quick before I continue talking. It's spinning, it's raining outside. Oh, damn. Woo! I'm no good in the rain, bro. It's spinning like crazy. Don't worry, this is Mexico right here. This part is Mexico. So for the police watching, this is Mexico. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to come after me. But like I was saying, man, let's do one more pull. 70 miles an hour. Let's do it. Ready? See how much I spin. Spin. There we go. Spinning like crazy though, bro. Dang, hear them pops? Pops sexy, bro. Alright, like I was saying, I want to be one of those rich people that I'm not trying to be rich alone, bro. I want everybody to come with me, yo. Everybody deserves to live a life, you know what I'm saying, of enjoyment. Not living a life just working your ass off for like until you're 70 years old and then you're dead and all you know your whole life was working. That's not life, bro. So if I'm able to be rich, I want to try to help as many people as I can to be rich with me. I don't want to be alone being rich. That's not fun at all. Me knowing that there's other people out there struggling.
Prepare to turn
even right now, you know, I'm doing decent. I'm not amazing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing amazing. I'm doing decent. I'm able to take care of myself. But there's people out there struggling right now. You know what I'm saying? They're struggling to meet ends meet. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want people to be just like the world should have been. You know what I'm saying? Everybody happy, living a good life, happy life, you know, helping each other out. You know, like one hand washes another. Like, yo, you need this. Oh, you need that. Okay, I got you. You got me. Like, we take care of each other and grow together to the next level. It shouldn't be us fighting against each other and fighting to see who makes it to the top first. That makes no sense to me, bro. I don't understand why people do that, and that's why the world makes it like that, competing against one another. It's because they don't want people to all be at the top. You know what I'm saying? They want people to stay at the bottom, working 9 to 5s forever. You know what I'm saying? They don't want nobody. They don't want everybody to be rich. You know what I'm saying? Whoever makes it makes it. People don't see that, but I want to do that. I want to be able to bring people with me. I don't want to be alone in this. And I'm not talking about, oh yeah, I want to bring my family with me, friends. No. I want to bring everybody that has the heart, the passion, the positivity to spread the word, to not only I bring you to the top with me, or we bring to the top together, I could say, because that's more how it is. We're going to do this together at the top. I'm not going to get to the top alone. It's because the help of you guys and myself included. We all go to the top together, but at the same time, we bring people with us, so that way we could change, you know what I'm saying, change how the world is, you know, from everybody being poor and then rich is rich, and then let's get everybody a little bit wealthier. That way their life could be more full of enjoyment. That's what I want. People should live a life of happiness, bro. Not of stress, and then all they remember in their whole life after they retire, after 60 years old, it's all stress and working for somebody else. That makes no sense, bro. I've been doing a lot of different things. Like I said, I'm gonna get to that in a different video if you guys want to know about it, to make incomes, working for myself. Obviously, I don't work for nobody else. I'm doing my other incomes. But in the meantime, I'm working this night shift that I work from 4 p.m. to all the way to 3 in the morning. So for 6 days a week, I got 1 day off. Yeah, if you guys want to know what I'm doing for extra income, I'll let you know in a different video. But I'm definitely working for myself in those incomes, and I'm building up other shit too that I'm trying to do. I'm doing a lot of things, and that's how your mind should be. Focus on different and many things, and just do what you love, bro. Whatever you're good at, do that to make income, and then whatever dream you have, go ahead and follow it. Don't do it for nobody. But I'm gonna stop talking now because I've been talking for a while now. I know you guys been enjoying me driving and talking at the same time, but if you don't, it is what it is. I'm just trying to spread some positivity and, you know what I'm saying, love to the world. I want people to spread it. But for the rest of the video, just enjoy it. Do a little bit more pulls, and then I'm gonna end the video. And if you guys like this video, just leave a like, thumbs up, and then comment down below some positivity for the world. Like, whatever quote that you have for somebody, comment it down below. Spread a positive quote through the comments so that people could read it and feel inspired. You know what I'm saying? But there's a lot of people going through stress right now, sad right now at work or wherever they may be, going through family issues or depression or whatever. Let them read that, get motivated, and pick back up in their feet and kick back life right in the ass where it should be, man. Like, we should be always on top. God put us here for a reason, man. It's not for us to stress out, be sad all the time. It's to build ourselves to the next level, to be the best version of ourselves that we can be. Compete with yourself, nobody else. Hold hands, bring everybody together. Look at that cop, bro. Oh, he about to pull somebody over, and I'm glad it wasn't me, because I was about to do a pull for you guys real quick. See, yo, sometimes it happens for a reason, bro. I think about to pull somebody over.
Prepare to go straight.
I know I gotta go straight, girl. Damn, you don't gotta tell me twice. Yeah, you can imagine me as a GPS. Hey, yo, make sure you turn right, because we gotta go to the positive road. But long behold, you got a cop over there, he acting like a foe. Oh, that'd be funny, GPS, bro. Yeah, he definitely chasing somebody. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know if you guys see that. He chasing somebody. That dude did. Whoever he's chasing took off. Yo, Highlander, move out the way. I gotta do a pull for my YouTube family, bro. Woo. Open the window a little bit for you guys to hear the pops. Woo. Damn, with this amount of traffic, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any more pulls for you guys, man. I really hope you guys like this video, man. I'm just trying to spread positivity. That's why the only reason I wanted to make this video is because I'm trying to be one of those influencers that spread positivity to the world. I'm tired of seeing negative stuff in this world already. I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna try my best to keep posting more often, just to post positive videos. Like, I don't even care about growing, like, for me or whatever, because I'm already doing many things for myself, for my growth. I want to make these videos for you guys to inspire the people watching the videos so that they could go to the next level in life. This ain't about me. It was never about me with this channel. I got all this without YouTube. Like, YouTube doesn't pay for none of this. Like, literally legit, I probably only get like, I'm gonna be 100% with you guys. I can even show you the screenshot, or I can show you through the video. I'm only making like maybe $20 a month on my YouTube channel, and I've been doing YouTube for the past, what, 6 years, maybe more than that, and I'm only getting $20 a month from all my videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, literally all my videos in total are making me $20 a month, and I have over 300 videos. So that shows you, like, I'm not doing this shit for the money. I'm trying to inspire people, and that's all I want to do. Like, everybody that knows me personally knows I try to inspire people so that way they can go to the next level in life. I don't like seeing people stuck, bro. People assume that everybody wants people to be stuck and them to be higher. Me, I'm the opposite. I know no matter what anybody says, I'm gonna get to the level I need to be because I'm demotivated for myself. But I don't want people to be at my level. I want people to be higher than me. So don't ever be like, oh, I want to be like Adonis. Nah, aim to be higher than Adonis, man. That way we keep pushing each other to go to the next level together. You know what I'm saying? Not fighting each other like, no, you staying there, don't do this, don't do that. Nah, you do that, make that money, bro. Go to the next level. Let's do this, bro. I can do this, you can do this too. Oh, you did this, okay, do this too so you can make some more money. Let's do this till we get to the next level all together, man. Don't aim to be like somebody, aim to be higher than that person. That way we could be smiling and be like, yeah, your happiness is just making me more motivated to do more. I want to do more too. Let's do more together. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep climbing the top of this mountain, bro. Let's do that. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you guys stay motivated, stay positive. It's nice to be in the video again, man. I haven't posted in so long. Again, like I said, if you're new to this channel, my name's Adonis. This is my Supra. I do a lot of car stuff. I haven't been posting in a while because, like I just told you guys why. But stay motivated, stay positive, man. Stay humble. Dream big. Keep your eyes wide open. Remember that. Peace out, man. See you on the next one.